Gate of Rayyan. It is narrated from Hazrat Sahl bin Sa'd, may Allah be pleased with him, that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, his family, and his companions, said, "Paradise has 8 gates, one of which is called Al-Rayyan. Only those who fast will enter through it." The word reyyan means freshness, abundance, and greenery. Since those who fast endure hunger and thirst, suffering more from thirst than hunger, their entrance has been designated through this special gate, where streams of water flow endlessly, lush greenery abounds, and complete satisfaction is granted. Its beauty is beyond our imagination and cannot be described in words. A Muslim who breaks their fast intentionally, neglects fasting, or eats during fasting hours, though they may be forgiven by the mercy of Allah and the intercession of the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, and admitted into paradise, will still not be allowed to enter through this gate, which is reserved exclusively for those who observed fasting. We humbly ask Allah, through the blessings of our beloved Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, his family, and his companions, to grant us the ability to complete the fasts of the blessed month of Ramadan, engage in abundant remembrance of Allah, send salutations upon the Prophet, and perform voluntary prayers. Ameen, for the sake of the noble and trustworthy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, his family, and his companions.